What? Right now, yeah.
What?
Cause I got a camera. That's what you do with a camera.
What's the purpose of you taking this with that camera?
Huh?
What's the purpose of you filming this?
Well, you
video
guys
with that
stopped
camera?
me and started asking me questions, so.
I can't hear you, bro.
You guys started asking me questions, so here we are.
I still can't hear you.
Well, never mind, man. Just go back inside.
What are you taking for?
It's none of your business, man. It's none of your business.
That's
None of your
cool.
business.
Yeah, none of your business.
So we can tape you too then, huh?
Yeah, hell yeah. All day.
For sure.
Yeah.
You got something to do with over there or something?
Who are you?
You need help?
Who are you?
I'm not the guy out here taping you.
Oh, well, you started asking me questions, man.
Huh? Alright, well, if you don't mind, could you just move away from our property?
This ain't your property, man. Your property's right over there.
Oh, you one of those, huh? You one of those?
No, I'm one of those, man. Leave me alone.
Huh? Come on, man. Go on with your day, bro. We're busy here.
You
dude.
go on with your day. You're the one that came out and talked to me.
I don't want you taping shit that goes on here.
I don't
'cause I don't know
care.
if you're gonna come back and try to do something.
Oh,
You
yeah?
seem like a scuzzy fucking
Yeah,
dude to me.
okay, all right.
Right?
Sounds good.
So don't fucking tape me and go kick rocks, bro.
I'm already doing
Go
it.
kick rocks, bro.
No, I'm not going to kick rocks.
Get out of here, bro.
No,
I don't know
I'm
why
not
you're
gonna get
taping
out
me.
of
I'm
here.
not giving you permission to tape
I
me,
don't
bro.
give a shit.
You
Get out
know?
of my face.
Get the fuck out of my
You
face,
You
bro.
approach me.
Of course, because you're fucking taping me. Don't
touch
tape me,
my shit,
motherfucker.
dude. Don't touch my shit or you go to jail.
All right, go to jail. Then call them. I'm real friendly with the cops here, motherfucker. Call them. They'll fucking get you the fuck out of here. Call them. Call them. Call them.
Why don't you call him?
Call them. You said call the cops. I'm real friendly with the cops. You call them.
So here, come on, bro. Like you were disrespecting our shit, though.
Hey, I'm not disrespecting. I'm on the public sidewalk, man.
But you
You
filming
guys
us,
need to
though?
go back on your property.
You filming us, and then you gonna tell us what to do?
Hey, I didn't stop and film you guys. You guys started asking me questions, man. Just go away.
Well, why
Problem solved, man. Problem solved. Go away.
Not really.
Get out.
Yeah, really.
What kind of fucking loser are you, bro?
What kind of loser are you? What kind of loser are you, clone guy?
What kind of fucking loser are you, bro?
What kind of loser are you, clone guy?
What kind of loser are you, helmet dude?
San
With
Gabriel
bands
Valley.
on?
Yep, San Gabriel Valley, man. Putting you on blast now.
What?
What's on blast?
Yeah,
What that mean?
putting you on blast, man. I'm gonna
What?
expose you guys for acting like tyrants.
I'll be acting like
What?
tyrants. You gonna disrespect
Oh,
the
you
officer.
guys all up in my face. Look at you. Why don't you back up, man?
Dude, you've been out here for hours with your fucking
It's none of
camera,
your
dude.
business what I'm doing. It's
What?
none of your business, man. Go
Well, how
try
do
to
I know
somebody
you
that
ain't some
cares.
kind of perv, bro?
It's none of your business
How do
what
I
I'm
know
doing.
you ain't trying to
Being
break
a perv in
into
an
some
industrial
place?
area, stop
How do I know
crying
you
about
ain't
it,
trying to break
crybaby.
into some place?
Stop crying about it,
using your
crybaby.
camera,
Go
bro?
away.
Huh?
Why don't you go away?
Fucking punk, bro.
But
You motherfucking punk ass
provoking
bitch,
you,
bro.
dog?
You a punk ass bitch, dog?
You're the one talking
fucking
about
do
it.
something then,
You're the
man.
one talking
Another
about
man's
it.
calling you a punk ass bitch, bro.
You're the
You
one
sitting there
talking
with your
about it,
dumb ass fucking
crybaby.
lame hair.
You're the one crying about it. You keep crying, walking away crying like a little bitch.
Let me see what kind of get a nice little vision of it.
He can't get you on your camera, punk.
Don't touch my shit.
Hey, don't touch my shit, motherfucker. The fuck you talking about, bro?
Come on.
Touch your shit, motherfucker. Fuck you, punk.
You got a guard dog right here, man. Take care of you. That's what it's all about. That's what that tough attitude is all about, bitch.
Motherfucker.
Yeah, you ain't doing shit, dude. That's the third time you got in my face. Fucking crybaby.
What? Well, I don't need them taking my business.
Haha, you
I
little
don't know his
bitch.
fucking intentions. You know? Showing my fucking schedules of my guys and shit.
Oh, is this your schedule? All right, got it. You got the schedule. Thanks. Thanks for letting me know, crybaby. Yeah, go cry. Go cry inside about it to everybody. Go let everybody know you guys were acting like little bitches.
Yeah, what do you want of those lawsuits? That I just can't find a job, so you're trying to sue somebody? Trying to get someone to touch you?
Yeah. Go cry somewhere else, bitch. Go cry to somebody that cares. Go cry on each other's shoulders. Go cry on each other's shoulders.
Man, what's all this about, bro? What's all this about, man?
Mind your own business, man. It's about mind your own business,
I'm
dude.
on my property right now, homie.
What?
I'm on my property right now.
So I'm on public, man. Leave me alone. Go away. I don't talk to tyrants, man. You guys acting like a bunch of little bitches right here.
Recording though, bro.
It doesn't matter. It's my right. Just like you got a camera right there, it's your right to record. I'm not crying about that.
Nah.
Yeah, so what are you crying about?
But our cameras is on our property though, bro.
Yeah, and I'm in public property. I'm holding my camera. What's the problem? There's no problem, man. Just go away. Just go away, man. Mind your own business.
I am minding my business. This is my business right here.
Yeah, well, you come out to the public sidewalk. It's not your business.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not.
I'm making it my business.
Yeah, well, you can't. No, you can't. Because they hire you to protect their business. The street don't hire you. You're not a cop, man. You're a fake cop. You're a fake cop, man. You're not on the streets. You're just protecting that little place right there. That's it. That little place right there. That's it.
You speak up like a man. I can't hear you.
Yeah, stop crying, man.
Yeah.
Stop crying. Oh, now you can hear me, huh?
Huh?
All of it.
What?
Yeah, stupid. The whole time you could hear me, all of a sudden you went deaf.
I can't hear you, man. Speak up.
All of a sudden, crybaby. Go cry to somebody that cares, man. And stay on your property.
Fuck you. How about that?
I knew you were gonna cower it up once I walked away. Oh man. Look at this guy. Ah, fuck. That's some funny shit. Bunch of crybabies. First they ask me what I'm doing. They don't like the answer, so they get all mad. They threaten with violence, and then they don't do shit. That's just the breed that we live with these days, guys. It's a very special breed, I'll tell you that. This guy's standing over there just waiting for something to pop off like a little crybaby.